In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Odoo. To get started, open the Odoo application you want to build your dashboard from. This could be sales, CRM, accounting, or another app that contains the data you want to report on. The key here is to begin inside the module where your source data already lives, because that makes it much easier to build a dashboard that is relevant and useful. Once you're inside the app, go to the reporting area and switch to either the pivot view or the graph view using the controls in the top right corner. These views are important because they let you organize and summarize your data before turning it into a dashboard. Pivot view is especially useful for structured comparisons, while graph view can help if you want a more visual starting point. Next, use the search panel to configure the parameters you need. This is where you can refine what data is being shown. If Odoo applies default filters automatically and you want a broader year-over-year overview, go ahead and clear those filters. That gives you a more complete data set to work with and helps prevent your dashboard from being too narrow or misleading. After that, set up your group by options and choose the measures you want to display. For example, you might add total amount, untaxed amount, or quantity ordered. These settings determine how your data is summarized and what columns or values appear in the report. Take a moment here to make sure the structure matches the business question you want the dashboard to answer. When your view is configured the way you want, click the Insert in Spreadsheet button at the top left. This sends your report data into Odoo spreadsheet where the dashboard itself can be built. Think of this as the bridge between raw reporting and a polished, shareable dashboard. Now design the dashboard interface. Arrange the spreadsheet content in a clean and readable way so the most important information stands out. Good dashboard design makes it easier for people to understand performance at a glance, so keep the layout organized and intuitive. Once the design is ready, convert and publish the dashboard. This step makes your work available as an actual dashboard rather than just a spreadsheet view. Then open the Dashboards app and go to Configuration, then Dashboards to review its live status. This is a good place to confirm that everything has been created correctly and is available in the system. Finally, make sure the Eyes Published toggle is enabled so the intended team members can view it. If that option is not checked, the dashboard may exist but still not be visible to the people who need it. And that's how to create dashboards in Odoo from report data all the way through publishing and visibility.